let's discuss on the ISUPPER string function. The ISUPPER string function will return a true if all the available letters in the string is uppercase, else it will return a false. So if we take the example Python is awesome and apply the ISUPPER string function, it will check if all the characters present in the given string are in uppercase or not, and it will return a true as the given string has all the letters in uppercase. If we use the same string by just putting few of the letters in lowercase and apply the ISUPPER string function, you will see it will return false, as though the word Python has all the letters in uppercase, the other two words is and awesome has lowercase letters, and that is the reason the ISUPPER string function returns a false. And this is the utility of the ISUPPER string function. Thanks all for watching this video till the end. I hope you are getting the understanding by watching my videos. If you have any questions or you are facing any issues, please do post in the comment section and I will try my best to reply the same. If you are liking my video, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get a notification when I post my next video. Thank you all again. Stay healthy and safe.